Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and dark mode. Manage dark mode settings, for example, let's turn it on schedule, between sunset to sunrise, or custom schedule. Then we can change manually brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change motion smoothness between high and standard, enable or disable eye comfort shield, change screen mode between vivid and natural, adjust font size and style, and enable or disable bold font. Next, we can manage screen zoom, full screen apps, and camera cutout for apps. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable easy mode, edge panels, and manage navigation bar. For example, you can change between buttons and swipe gestures, enable gesture hint, show button to hide keyboard, and change gesture sensitivity. For buttons, you can change button order. Next, you can enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging information, and enable screensaver. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.